Hi, I'm Mike, visiting Payam Data Recovery's lab in Australia to show you what happens behind the scenes. Today I'm watching one of their data recovery engineers work on a Dynabook Boost X20 1TB portable SSD belonging to Anthony, a music producer from Melbourne. The drive holds his Logic Pro projects, .wav files and audio sessions. The light flashes for a second time when plugged in, then nothing. The engineer opens the plastic case and pulls out the SSD itself, which is a small PCB with the USB-C port built straight onto it. He connects it to a PC3000 portable SSD Pro by AceLab, the 2026 version. The tool costs around 30,000 Australian dollars. It's not something a local computer shop has, and frankly, the tool is only half the job. The other half is knowing exactly what to do with it. The SSD itself is healthy. The fault is in the firmware. Specifically, the loader and translator are corrupted. He uploads a working loader, rebuilds the translator from the metadata in the service area, and Antho2 appears as a logical drive. He images it, verifies the Logic projects open cleanly, and Anthony gets every session back. In total, 90 gigabytes of data and over 12,000 files are recovered, all in good condition. From there, Payam's team copies the data from the clone onto a new USB external hard drive, emails Anthony a full file listing, and generates a short video preview so he can see his data is safe before paying. If you have a dead SSD and somebody has told you it can't be fixed, try Payam Data Recovery. They fix problems others say are impossible every single day.